Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to add Facebook lead ad leads in Google Sheets. So I use Facebook lead ad for promoting my business, and here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, then automatically I'm going to use that lead detail and I'm going to add that lead details automatically in my Google Sheet. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I need to use the concept of trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we have an exciting topic that's going to streamline your marketing efforts and save you a ton of time. We are going to show you how to automatically add Facebook lead ad leads directly into Google Sheet. And for doing this, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So if you are running Facebook lead ads, then you know how powerful they can be for capturing potential customers. But manually transferring each lead into spreadsheet can be a tough and a time-consuming task. What if I told you there is a way to automate this process entirely? Well, there is, and we are about to dive right into it. So why should you automate this? For one, it eliminates the risk of human error, ensuring that every lead is accurately recorded. Plus, it allows you to focus more on nurturing those leads rather than bogged down by administrative tasks. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the setup process. So by the end of this video, you will have a seamless system in place that instantly updates your Google Sheet with every new lead from Facebook lead ads. And it is going to helping you to stay organized and efficient. So now let's jump right into it, and for setting up this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So with the help of Pabbly Connect, we are going to build this connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet, and that too without any coding and programming skills. Now for using Pabbly Connect, we need to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect, and it will direct us to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you just have to click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here, and we can create new folder here, and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here I need to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on this create workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to add Facebook lead ads lead in Google Sheets. And now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab, and here I will find all the folders that I have created in my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm going to use this particular folder of Facebook lead ads, so I'm going to select this, and now I need to click on create. And it will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select Facebook lead ads here, and now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new lead instant will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. Now I need to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to click here on this connect button. I will click on add new connection, and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. Now here, as I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser, so it has detected that. Now I just need to click on continue to give access to my account. And here my connection is successful. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my page and the lead gen form that I want to use. So for selecting my Facebook page, I need to take you to my Facebook account first. And here I'm going to use this particular page of Pabbly Connect. So this is my Facebook page where I'm running my ad campaign, and from this page I'm going to get all the new leads. So I'm going to map this in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here for selecting my page, I need to open this tab. And in this tab, I will find all the pages that are connected with my Facebook account. And I'm going to select my page that I'm going to use. So I'm going to select this page of Pabbly Connect. And here I need to first select my lead gen form. So for selecting the lead gen form, I'm going to open this tab. And in this tab, I will find all the lead generation forms that I have created in my Facebook page. And here you can select any particular lead gen form that you want to use. But I want to use all the lead generation forms so that I can get all the leads that I'm going to get from my lead generation form. So I'm going to select all lead gen form here. And now I have this important note. So this note says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Now here what I need to do is I need to first click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how we are going to get this webhook response? For that, we need to first make sure that our lead generation form is live. And now for capturing the webhook response, we need to first make a sample submission. So I'm going to create this sample submission by using Meta for Developer. So I'm going to take you to Meta for Developer for that. And now I will go to More. And in More, I will go to Tools. And in Tools, I'm going to use this particular tool of Lead Ads RTU Debug tool. So I'm going to open this. And here again, I have these two tabs, Page and the Form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to again select my page. So I'm going to open this tab. And here this is going to be my page, which is named as Pabbly Connect. And my form is already selected. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Preview Form button and I need to fill my form to create new lead. So I'm going to click here. And here this is my form. So I have to fill all these details in my form to create a new lead. So first I need to give my first name. So my first name will be Demo. Now I'm going to give the last name. So my last name will be User. My email will be damouser@pabblytunes.com. And I'm going to give a random phone number. Now I need to give a city. So my city will be Bhopal. And here in my form, I have filled all these details. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Continue. And now I need to click on Submit to submit my form. And here I've successfully filled my form and I've created this new lead by creating this form submission. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So here the first name of my lead is Demo, last name is User, email is damouser@pabblytunes.com. I have this random phone number and my city is Bhopal. So here we can see that I have filled all these details in my lead generation form. And I have received all these details automatically in Pabbly Connect. So these are the details of my lead that I have generated by using Facebook lead ads. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use all these details and I'm going to use these details to automatically add in my Google Sheet. So for that, I need to set up my Actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab. And here my action application is going to be Google Sheet. So I'm going to select Google Sheets here. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And add new row will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection. And I will sign in with Google. And now what I need to do is I need to click on Allow to give access to my account. And here my connection is successful. Now for adding the detail in my spreadsheet, what I need to do is I need to first select my spreadsheet where I want to save my data. So for selecting my spreadsheet, let me take you to my Google Sheet first. And here in Google Sheet, I have this particular spreadsheet that is named as Facebook Leads Data. And in this, I have all these columns like first name, last name, phone number, email, and the city. So I'm going to receive all these details from my Facebook lead ad response, and I'm going to use all those details and I'm going to automatically add those details in these columns. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect and map all these details. So first I need to select my spreadsheet. So I'm going to open this tab, and in this tab I will find all the spreadsheets that are connected with my Google Sheet account. So I'm going to select this particular spreadsheet of Facebook leads data. So I'm going to select this. And here we can see all the details have changed according to my spreadsheet. Now I need to fill all these details, and I need to fill these details from my Facebook lead ads response. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use all those details and I'm going to map those details here in these tabs. So for that, I need to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to first click here. I will open the response of Facebook lead ads, and here this is the first name of my lead, so I'm going to map this. Now similarly, I'm going to map the last name, so I have to click here. I will open the response of Facebook lead ads, and here this is the last name. Now I'm going to map the phone number and the email address, and in the last I'm going to map my city. So this is my city, that is Bhopal, and here I have mapped all these details in these tabs. Now as I have mapped these details and I have made these details dynamic, so what is going to happen here is that whenever I'm going to receive a new response from Facebook lead ads and I'm going to receive the new detail of my new lead, then automatically all these details are going to get replaced and I'm going to get the new details in the real time. Now what I need to do is I need to scroll down and I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have automatically added all these details in my Google Sheet. So to check this, let me take you to Google Sheet. And here in Google Sheet, we can see I have added all these details. And here the first name is demo, last name is user, phone number is this, and I have the email, that is demouser@pabblytunes.com, and I have my city, that is Bhopal. So here we can see that I have filled all these details in my lead generation form in Facebook lead ads, and automatically I have used those details and I have added those details in my Google Sheet. So here my connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet is working successfully. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, then automatically I'm going to add all those lead details in my Google Sheet. So to check this in real time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Meta for Developer. I'm going to close this. I'm going to delete this lead. And I'm going to preview this form one more time. And here this is my form. So I'm going to fill this form and I'm going to create a new lead. So here my first name will be test, last name will be user, email will be testuser@pabblytunes.com, and I'm going to give a random phone number. Now I need to give my city. So my city will be Indore, and here I have filled all these details. So these are my lead detail, and now I'm going to click on continue. I will click on submit, and I have successfully created this new lead by using Facebook lead ad. Now what should happen is that automatically by capturing all these details of my lead, these lead details should be added in my spreadsheet in Google Sheets. So to check this, let me take you back to Google Sheet. And here in Google Sheet, we can see I have added this new row, and in this row, I have added the detail of the new lead that I've just created in Facebook lead ads. So here the first name is test, last name is user, phone number is this, I have my email, that is testuser@pabblytunes.com, and I have the city, that is Indore. So here we can see that these are the details that I've just filled in my lead generation form, and automatically these details are added in my spreadsheet. So here my connection and this automation is working successfully, and now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, then automatically that detail will be added in my Google Sheet. So with this automation, I'm going to save a ton of time, and now I don't have to be worried about managing my leads. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have successfully created this connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet to automatically add Facebook lead ads lead in Google Sheets. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was Google Sheets, and my action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.